The first party data is a gold mine for businesses, but it can be tricky to get a complete picture of your customers from all that information. First party data has become a cornerstone for businesses aiming to understand their customers better and deliver more personalized experiences. Yet, the challenge lies in aggregating and analyzing this data comprehensively to build a complete picture of each customer. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The high percentage, that is with 85%, shows how valuable businesses consider data collected directly from their customers. This includes website behavior, purchase history, and feedback. Even with all this data, it can be difficult to see the big picture of each customer. There might be information siloed across different departments or data that's not well organized. However, at some time, raw data often contains errors, duplicates, or inconsistencies. AI techniques such as natural language processing and machine learning can automate data cleaning and pre processing tasks, ensuring that the data is accurate and ready for analysis. Artificial intelligence can be a game changer. It is the need of the hour to enhance your data strategy using AI. AI indeed plays a crucial role helping streamline the process by efficiently collecting, organizing, and enriching data from various sources. This not only saves time and resources but also enables businesses to extract actionable insights that drive meaningful interactions and better decision making. Artificial intelligence can be a game changer. It can analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, identify patterns, and create a unified customer profile. This allows businesses to understand their customers' needs and preferences better. The most important thing is to use this customer data for practical applications. AI can help personalize marketing campaigns, improve customer service experiences, and ultimately drive sales. Overall, while collecting first party data is crucial, AI is the key to unlocking its true potential for businesses. By incorporating AI into your data strategy across these key areas, you can unlock the full potential of your data assets and drive competitive advantage in today's digital economy. Let's look into today's headlines. Microsoft plans to launch its own mobile game store. Microsoft is planning to launch its own online store for mobile game consumables, creating an alternative to Apple Inc. and Google's app stores and their fees. The browser based store will debut with Microsoft's own games, offering discounts on in game items associated with titles like Candy Crush Saga. Going forward, Microsoft will open the store to other publishers. The store will be launching on the web and not as an app. Paytm foraying into ride hailing business with auto rickshaws. Fintech major Paytm is facilitating auto rickshaw booking services on its platform by partnering with the Open Network for Digital Commerce, that is ONDC. The company is foraying into the ride hailing market, offering auto rickshaw rides in cities like Delhi, Bengaluru, and Chennai. The feature is still being tested and can be seen only by a small number of Paytm users. The move is seen to be challenging the dominance of Ola and Uber in the ride hailing space. WhatsApp rolling out design changes on iOS and Android. Instant messaging app WhatsApp is rolling out new design changes for Android and iOS. It is introducing a new consistent green palette within the app. Meta said that it considered over 35 different color iterations, ultimately settling in for WhatsApp iconic green and opting for a palette that allows for harmonious color pairings throughout the app. The icons also gets a new design, whereas the default background has also been refreshed. Google introduces AI-powered Circle to Search feature to iPhones. Google is introducing the Circle to Search feature on iPhones via the Google Lens app. It was introduced for Android phones earlier this year, allowing users to quickly select and search objects they see on their smartphones. Google highlighted that this feature is different from Samsung's Galaxy AI feature. Circle to Search allows users to take a screenshot and select specific items for a quick search or information. Apple brings down iPad Crush ad after backlash. Apple is apologizing after an ad for its latest edition iPad has caused an uproar. The ad showed an industrial press crushing objects linked to human creativity, infuriating artists. Social media users immediately criticized the ad, which was posted on X by Apple CEO Tim Cook. This comes at a time when the creative community is worried about its future with the emergence of generative AI. The company now won't air the ad on television as planned. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.